Okay, my name's Thad Shoemaker. I'm a STEM teacher at Coppice Cove ISD. This is my son Micah, and we have the DJI NEO drone and the N3 headset and the motion controller. And what he's going to do, he's going to take the drone and fly it up above us and take aerial photos that later on we're going to try 3D print, do a really print of it. Okay, you ready, Micah?
Wait.
Okay, you're going to press that button twice?
This one?
Yep.
Alright, ready?
I'm ready. There you go. Okay, now put your finger on that, now fly it up. Okay. Okay, you can go up the box, Micah. Okay, now go up. Fly up. A little bit higher. Okay, now point the camera down and take a picture. Okay, that should be one good picture. Okay, go and fly up again. Okay, you're good. Now go. Yes, you did. You're good. Now fly up some more. Fly up higher. Okay, now look down and take a picture there. You don't have to look down, Micah. You can look up. Okay. Okay, now fly up a little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, now look down. You don't have to look down. Take a picture. Okay, that did it. No, you're good. Okay, now go ahead and fly back down. Okay, you're good, Micah. You're good. Micah, you're good. Okay, now fly to me. Okay, he's going to go ahead. You fly towards me, Micah. Okay, bring it to me. Okay, good. Bring it to me. Okay, whoop. And I'm going to land it. Go ahead and land it in my hand. There you go. And now we got 3 photos, aerial photos above the mailbox right here at 3 different levels. And like I said, we're going to try to do a 3D print relief of this area right here. And that's it.